Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Valorant on your PC. So let's get straight into it. So first, open your internet browser and navigate to the official website, playvalorant.com here. So once on the website, locate the Play Now button in the top right corner and click it. So here, if you don't have an account, just click this button and follow the prompts to create one. But if you already have a Riot Games account, then just click sign in and log in with your credentials, like so. After signing in, go to the top right corner where you can see your username. So tap on it. And from here, select game download. So this will then take you to the download page. So from here, just click the red download button to start downloading the installer. And once the download is complete, open the Valorant installer from your PC like so. And once done, this will then show on your screen. So just click the red install button. But if you want to install it on an external hard drive, then just click advanced options here to change the installation path. And afterwards, you can proceed to installing it by tapping install here. So the installation process will begin and will take only a few minutes to complete. So after the installer finishes, log into your Riot Games account again, like so. And then after that, on the next screen, just click the red install button to download and install Valorant onto your PC. So once the installation is complete, the play button will appear. So click it to launch Valorant and start playing. So that's pretty much it. That's how to download Valorant on PC. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.